Want to communicate effectively in English? Reach out, connect with others. Don't hold yourself back. Move on, the world is waiting. Empower yourself in English. Visit powerenglishbylana.com. Upgrade you, let me upgrade you. Hi, yes, let me upgrade you. I love that song. And I love the idea of taking something or someone to a higher level. And in practice, it's easier said than done, I know. And our students know it's a process. Learning is a process. Upgrading your English takes time because your mind needs to process all the new pieces of information, input, new vocabulary, more complex grammar structures, and then to slowly and naturally replace old structures with new ones. To replace means to change, to put something back or put something new instead of something old. So, how to upgrade your English in order to process new pieces of information and to slowly and naturally replace your lower level, more elementary English structures with higher level structures which sound more natural and native-like? It takes time and practice. However, I'm going to share one tip with you, one method that can instantly help you improve your English. It's about making a conscious effort. Now, all of you who don't understand the expression conscious effort, please check out its meaning in your own language because it's very important. Conscious effort means when you do something, when you try, put focus and energy into something with full awareness. So this is what you need to do. When you speak and write in English, make a conscious effort to use higher level words and structures instead of elementary, lower level, ones which are, which may be easier and more familiar to you at this point. In other words, use higher level synonyms for the idea that you want to communicate. Synonym is a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase in the same language. For example, start is a synonym of begin, or finish is a synonym of end, or shut is a synonym of close. Let me repeat the method. Make a conscious effort, and you need to train yourself to use higher level synonyms in English for words and ideas you want to communicate. You need to change your ways and consciously use new, more advanced phrases instead of those ones you have been using so far. These are the typical examples I give to my students. So say the same thing in a higher level of English using the upgraded synonyms. I go to an English course. You can rather say, I attend an English course. The positive side of this job is its flexibility. You can upgrade it into a nicer word. The advantage of this job is its flexibility. Green tea is very good for your body. Or green tea is beneficial for your body. I always say, don't give me the word good. I want something more concrete, something higher than that. I like winter sports. I'm fond of winter sports. My little nephew is very sweet and cute. Do you know the word adorable? Why don't you use it like my little nephew is adorable? Sales are going up. Yeah, you can also say sales are increasing. This time next year, I will relax more. You know, upgrade it. This time next year, I will be relaxing more. You see, you can upgrade just one word, a noun, an adjective, Or you can upgrade verb forms, passive forms, linkers. There are so many possibilities. Just start with this simple method. Start by replacing elementary words that are now within your comfort zone with upgraded synonyms. At first, you may do it once in a while, occasionally, and then make it a part of your mental training. Make it your habit. Habit means your regular practice, something you do often and that works for you. In other words, you need to step out of your comfort zone to improve and upgrade your English. It's just like with anything else in life, isn't it? In the follow-up, we'll give you many more examples of how to replace words and grammar forms with higher synonyms and structures. Catch you there!